In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Dropbox two-factor authentication problem. So let's get straight into the video. So fixing Dropbox two-factor authentication issues depend on why you're locked out. The fastest way to bypass an invalid or missing code is to use the having trouble getting code tab. That is going to be exactly where you are requesting the code. On the login screen, to access your emergency backup code, text a backup phone or send an in-app notification. Also, make sure that your time is synced. If you haven't synced your time by heading into date and times into your settings and then put it to set it automatically, then what happens is it does go ahead and mess with your authentication codes. Also, make sure that you have a good network connection. You can try toggling airplane mode on and off, which will simply go ahead and fix most of your problems. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll